Good afternoon, friend.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I hope you are well. Okay, introduce myself. My name is Tiara Anggraita from English Management Class A. Here I will present material about business location in the introduction to the business course chapter 7. Okay, let's go to the first material. Itu yang di slide. Selanjutnya, Mak. Sebelum.
Yang definisi meren.
Definisi. Nah, definition of business location. Location is a place that is the center of business activities, both technical, administrative, or managerial. Location is critical to business success because with a strategy location, business actors can increase opportunities to get consumers. Location is also a long-term investment for entrepreneurs. Next. Definition of business location according to experts. Number 1, Kotler. As anything that refers to the various activities the company undertakes to make the product available and accessible to target consumer. Number 2, F&D. Things that need attention in terms of location include many things: distribution, canals, supplies, and transportation, including where the company operates, produces, and how to deliver goods for producers to consumer. Number 3, Lopiwadi. Defining a location is a place where a company should be headquartered to perform operation. Next. Tips for choosing the right business location. Number 1, easy to look. Choosing a place that is easily visible will make your place of business quickly known by the public. If your business is in the form of fashion or food, choosing a location that is easy to see will certainly reduce the promotional budget. Number 2, access. In choosing a business location, it is very important to consider the access route. By choosing a location where many people pass by and easy, it will open up more opportunities for visitors to come. Number 3, close to consumer. Determine the target market in advance to help facilitate product sales. Opening a business in a location close to consumer will make it easier for them to visit your business location. In addition to saving time and effort, usually a location close to consumer will be their first cost. Next. Number 4, rent a place. In choosing a strategic place or business location, the cost of renting a place will be high as well. Consider the amount of income or profit as month if you are going to rent in a strategic location. Number 5, licensing. Before starting a business, there are several things to consider, especially business licensing. Do not ignore licensing matters because it will lead to big risks in the future. Number 6, the environment around the place of business. Pay attention to the environment where your neighborhood offers a business. Make sure your environment is supportive and appropriate for your type of business. If you open a culinary business, then make sure your area is a cafe, internet cafe, or even close to a boarding house or campus. Next. Example of choosing a strategic business location: food and culinary business, campus or school environment, densely populated environment, tourist site, market and mall, public transport area, photocopy service business, campus environment, school environment, Islamic boarding school, office environment, and government service, student boarding or rented area, used car buying and selling business, seat of the road, office environment, room in the mall. Next. 9 strategies for selecting business location. Number 1, the level of population density around the location. Number 2, the income of the community around the location. Number 3, pay attention to the level of crowds of passing vehicles. Number 4, the number of business that support the location. Number 5, adjust the fund according to the business location that will be selected. Number 6, choose a business location with a low level of competition. Number 7, also pay attention to access to the business location. Number 8, the level of security that support. Number 9, pay attention to the cleanliness of the business location. Next. 7 advantages of having a strategic business place. Number 1, easy to recognize. Number 2, quick to memorize. Number 3, most viewed. Number 5, frequently visited. Number 5, easy road access. Number 6, easy to raise. Number 7, get many customers. Next. There are different considerations in choosing a location between producers of goods, service providers, and sellers of goods. Namely, number 1, companies that produce goods at the place of business are called factories, industry, or manufacturing company category. Number 2, service providers for business premise are usually referred to as office or place of practice category of service companies. Number 3, business that sell merchandise are referred to as agents, wholesalers, and retailers, trading company category. Next. Factor in determining the location of the business. Number 1, surrounding and environmental factor. Number 2, factor of capital and mental readiness. Number 3, business prospect factor. Number 4, cash flow factor. Number 5, operational factor. Next. Number 1, surrounding environmental factor. The surrounding environmental at the business location determines whether or not the business operation runs smoothly. The hazard environment must be appropriate and have a large product demand potential. Number 2, factor of capital and mental readiness. As for to get the right business location, if the decision is to buy or rent in a strategic place or shop, the capital must be given and the entrepreneur mentally is required to be able to compete legally. Number 3, the business prospect factor relate to the project income that can be generated optimally as a result of choosing a business location. Number 4, the cash flow factor for the smooth running of the business at the selected location. The cash inflow and outflow must produce a properly profitable difference. Number 5, operational factors state in legally and infrastructure. The selected location must obtain a formal permit. Next. 8, consideration in choosing a business location. Number 1, pay attention to the population density and the level of crowd around the business location. Number 2, pay attention to the business that can support the business you run. Number 3, choose a business location with a small number of competitors. Number 5, choose a business location that then rent according to your budget. Number 5, choose a business location that is close to the target market. Number 6, learn the business licensing procedure at your business location. Number 7, choose a business location that has the easiest transportation access. Number 8, choose a clean, safe, and comfortable business location. Okay, the presentation is over. Does anyone have any question? Okay, Ami.
Okay, I want to ask, how is the location change for the service company?
Okay, I will think about the answer. Give me 1 minute to find the answer.
Okay.
I will answer question from Azmi. How is the location chosen for the service company? Locations that are very suitable for use by service companies are locations with the ability to be easily seen by many people. The cost used to build and the cost for renting a business place are not large, so it will be profitable. Did you understand, Azmi?
Yes, I understand. Thank you, Tiara.
You are welcome, Azmi. Any question? Okay, Andini.
Okay, I want permission to ask.
What is the question?
Introduce myself. My name is Andini. I want to ask, why is location strategy so important for companies?
Okay, I will think about the answer. Give me 1 minute to find the answer.
Okay, all right.
I will answer question from Andini. Why is location strategy so important for companies? A business location is place that is the center of business activities, with her technical, administrative, or managerial. Because with a strategic location, you can increase opportunities to get consumer. On the other hand, if the location of your business is not good, then sales will be less than optimal. Did you understand, Andini?
Yes, I understand. Thank you, Tiara.
You are welcome, Andini. Any question? If there is not question anymore, I will close this presentation. Thank you. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. See you in the next presentation. Goodbye.